please. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be reacting to a channel called Pets Moon. In this video I got my special guest back with me, River, and we're watching Funniest Animals, New Funny Cats and Dog Videos Part 1. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here we go. Feel that stinky feet.
Wants to eat the fish.
Huh?
He farted.
Ew. Oh, they tricked him.
Poor doggy. Oh.
Oh, man, he fell for it.
Oh.
It's like you're cute.
Are you okay? Like. You want to slide? Slide down. Slide down.
What?
He said, what? Oh, he got muddy everywhere.
That silly dog.
What? Look at his butthole. Oh, baby kitty. Hey, can we keep one baby kitty?
No, we already got one.
No, another baby kitty.
Oh, no.
Please.
Mm-mm.
Oh.
You only get one.
They're so cute, though.
I know it. Oh. He couldn't stop, huh? Hey.
Wait, that was fun. That's a fat cat.
Oh no, it's a turtle. Cats don't like the water.
Yeah. But what about if the kitty gets dirty and we have to give her a bath?
She gonna hate it. Whoops, he didn't know there was glass there.
I owed him up.
Oh, that's so.
Nani?
I'm stuck.
Oh, I guess he's choked. He's about to.
I'll be okay.
She was singing a song.
Whoops.
Ew, that's dirty water. You fell on your butt. Ow!
We went in the trash can. It's a Savannah cat. We already saw that one, huh?
Huh?
Oh, we didn't see this one?
No, the fishing bowl one.
Oh. What? He said, what? bad word?
Nani?
He said noni.
They're cute.
I think they're looking. Oh!
That's a mean kitty, huh?
Oh!
Fluffy. Oh, now he's being nice then.
Oh, don't cook her!
Oh.
They're gonna pop, they're gonna pop.
Oh no.
It's gonna pop. Please don't pop, please don't pop, please don't pop. Oh, hey, if it didn't pop.
Trying to get some ice cream?
Yeah, I want some ice cream, please. Give me some ice cream. You didn't even touch the ice cream.
Didn't like that.
Ah. Oh no, oh no, oh no!
Oh. Oh.
He had to go poop. Oh. A fat cat. Oh, those are little fishies. Oh no, I guess he wants to eat something.
Looks like you already ate. You got a big belly.
Like, yeah. I guess he needs to eat. Oh, he's gonna eat that big fish. Oh, there's another cat. Oh no. No, don't do it. Don't do it. They will bite you. Do not go in. If the kitty did that, that's an... Oh! He just says, I want to make a mess too. I want to relax. Get this stuff in my way. Oh, oh. That's cute. Isn't that cute?
Oh, cat fight.
Poor kitty, don't hurt
Lazy.
Look at her mouth.
He was wasting all the toilet paper.
Mama would be mad if you done that, our kitty. What are those?
Fishes.
Oh.
Trying to wear that sweater.
Yeah, I guess I want to wear something too. Like, oh. Gap.
Whoa.
It
might have been an Indian.
Don't fall. Look at that dog. What the?
You want food? Yeah, what are you? You gotta lay it down.
Oh, that's a cute duck.
He was a goose.
I want to see some flowers. Why did you do this?
He know how to.
How did he fit through that? How did he fit?
I don't know. That's what I was thinking.
Oh, you would get squished.
I just want to make sure you're okay.
You would get squished.
Mhm.
Oh. You smacked each other.
Mhm. Oh, fell in the water.
Oh. Oh. Look at her new
She
outfit.
fell down. Remember, we seen that one before.
I haven't.
Oh, yeah, I seen it by myself. I'm sorry.
She wanted a bird. She just jumped on the TV.
No, it's meow. Mix. Try again. No! Oh my god!
Whoa. All right, that's the end of the video. Did you like it?
Yep.
You want to do this again sometime?
I want to do it tomorrow.
Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Come back tomorrow. We'll watch something else. See you then.